like carrot with that. Alright, like it. I've been running. You whatever. Bigger in your bed, man. I do real shit. I'm cash at the dealership. Make a pink slip. Yeah. See it now, and a big hit. What's going on, YouTube? We are back to another video. Y'all already see what's going on. We're gonna be rapping and snacking today. Yeah, we got some rap snacks. We got some rap snacks. We got all of them. We got Cardi B. Yeah.
We got none other than the notorious B.I.G. Snacks.
Biggie. Yeah. We got a little Romeo. You just don't know the way you move so fast. Oh, that way.
We got Lil Yachty. What do you do?
Lil Yachty, man, that's Uzi. We don't know what,
Y'all in the comments, tell me what like Lil Yachty.
What song Lil Yachty got? We got Boosie. BOOSIEDAD. Nah, I'm just playing.
That's me. We got Lil Baby.
And I'm telling and I done heard some people not be able to understand what I be saying too.
Hold on. We got about the Migos. That three of Migos. Bad the bougie, man. Ain't the bougie, man. Added the bougie to easy. On better the bougie, and better the bougie, and easy the easy. On better the bougie, and better the bougie, and better the bougie.
Alright, bro.
Alright. Alright.
So we about to get started. Let's start opening these chips.
Oh man, we gotta get started.
This ain't no time for a drink break.
We gotta get started the right way.
We gonna throw that bitch right with you. He gotta do the most with it. You know what? I just cannot.
It ain't no full cup. Okay. What we got?
Why he gotta act a fool? Please tell me why he gotta act a fool.
Okay.
Straight dog.
Okay, boom. So, yo.
Alright, we back with it again. I'm about to hit. Oh, I guess I already hit. I got Notorious. Hey. Nah.
Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner?
No.
Hey. Oh, which one?
I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. If I see some ladies tonight, it should be hearing my baby.
B-I-G-G-I-E.
Baby.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got the honey jalapeno potato chips.
Honey jalapeno, that was big like.
Smell that.
What they need for?
Got a little chicken. You put a dash of jalapeno. Oh,
Man, not this big.
you pretty good, right? You think remind you of
Big E.
Ladies,
He gonna taste like barbecue chips. I don't say nothing about barbecue.
You do remind me of ladies barbecue. Alright, baby, that's enough. Don't eat them all.
Alright, good. Alright. Big E.
They was good. We get big. We get Biggie. 1 or 2. Ooh.
Biggie, we gotta give him a 10.
10.
10, Biggie.
Hey.
What's the preach to Biggie, man?
Alright, let's see what we gonna move on to. Alright, let's try these Migos barbecuing with my honey with a Deborah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. What's one of their songs, baby?
Migos. I don't know. Scrape the ground. Hey, what the new one is? Scrub the floor. I don't know what it's called. Scrape the ground.
Lucky niggas, we don't know. lyrics too much.
Man, we know.
Waving. They got the waving first of all.
I'ma knock to put out like fight night. I don't even know when y'all song, man.
No, this is different. This some. Whoa.
Barbecue.
You can taste the honey.
With my honey. Barbecue.
I don't
with my
taste the
honey.
dab of ranch. We gotta eat another one. Let me see. It's some different, right?
It's been cool. It's been cool.
What is it?
Well, one time for the Migos. Hey, one time for the Migos.
Hey.
What's a Migos line you know? What's a Migos line?
I mean, it's really Offset because I love my girl Cardi B, so I don't really know
They a group.
the group.
They a group. You gotta know. They a group.
Migos.
Yo, what's the song?
Oh.
You got Bad and Bougie. What's the line out Bad and Bougie?
Okay. Mommy, Dad. What is it?
Yeah.
Dad and Bougie. Cooking on top of the oven.
Hey.
My niggas Dad and Bougie. Hey, my Dad and Bougie. Hey, cooking on top of the oven. Yeah.
I already did one. I already won. Migos.
7.
A 7 for you? Yeah. A 7? That ain't even. It's 3 of them. Not you.
I just didn't taste. I didn't taste the barbecue part. Did you taste the barbecue? I didn't taste
No.
the rich.
The barbecue in there.
It's in there.
Mm-hmm.
I tasted some honey. I got that honey flavor
got the
right off the
honey.
bat.
Ranch.
It was a little shaky. It was
A little
shaky.
sour, a little sour cream and onion ranch or something. Yeah, but yeah. Yeah, with yourself.
Alright, let's see. Let's go ahead and get my one and only, my girl Cardi B. And I know all her lyrics. Tell me one.
Yeah.
My favorite one though is
What's taking so long? You forgot it?
they gave a bitch 2 options, stripping the loose. I used to strip right across from my school. I don't know the rest, but I like that one too.
This your favorite artist.
I have to take it back because they gonna know that I've been listening to her since. Since she was there. That she
Yeah, nah. Ooh, nah, she came right in on Bodak Yellow. That's when she came in.
And I love Bodak Yellow.
That's when she came in, Bodak Gold. Okay, before you eat it, you gotta talk like Cardi B. You gotta talk like Cardi. You gotta eat it and talk like Cardi B.
Okay, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you gotta do. I gotta act her out.
See, I don't know whether I really want to talk like Cardi B today or not, so I'm just gonna eat these chips.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. It's a lot of cheddar.
Mm-hmm.
And she got a lot of cheddar.
Hold on.
Best believe my baby got a lot of cheddar.
Hold on.
Cheddar cheese, cheddar money.
When I eat these, hoes,
There's a lot of cheddar up in there.
when I eat these, hey,
Do it look like I'm left out bad and bougie?
that what these made me turn into.
Ain't good, right? Motorsport.
Cardi B by her cheddar. Cool. These cheese lays.
They cheddar.
They're cool. They're cool.
They good, right? I give my girl a 10, 10, 10. You already know she came to win.
I ate and gave her 8.
He done ate about 8 chips. So you gonna give her an 8, bro?
All right, I give her
9. But I'm gonna give her a 10, 10.
9.5.
10, Cardi, all the way. We want all the way.
Nah, these
Be
go
careful with Cardi B. You know what you losing. Whose feelings that you hurting and bruising. You see, that was my favorite song, but I wasn't gonna take it there. Let's see what's next. We got Lil Baby. What's one Lil Baby song?
I can't play with my creation, get away to my little boy. I'm a human, I be
I'm a human, I'm not perfect, and sometimes I be wrong.
I like it with that. Alright, like it. I've been funny. Give it whatever. Bigger in your business. I do real shit. Cash at the dealership. Make a pink slip. Yeah. See a mouth, and a big kick. Yeah. Hey, shout out Lil Lil Baby. These chips better be just good as song, boy. These chips better be just good as song, boy.
Alright, we got cheddar cheese plus a little sour cream. Telling us don't tell nobody. Y'all gotta come try it out for y'all still. That's what he say.
What you for? What you got? What you got? Let me see.
They put pills a lot.
Let me see. Lil Baby say that the back of these chips, they say no matter what you are going through in life, remember family is everything. Stay silent, stay woke, and take advantage of every opportunity that is provided to you because, like they say in life, nothing lasts forever. Lil Baby.
Yeah, that was good. That was good. That was cool. That was cool.
Let me take your chip. Let me take your chip.
It burnt a little bit. It burnt out bad.
Oh. Lil Baby.
0.5 or yeah.
Hold on, let me taste some beer.
He gonna be full, y'all, because he done ate all the chips.
I'm really good, Lil Baby. I ain't gonna lie. I'm really cool.
For the message,
That was cool, especially to stay solid, stay woke, and take advantage.
every opportunity.
That was
for
good
real.
right there. That was
That's
good.
what you gotta do for real. Stick your neck out sometimes.
I taste the cheese a little bit. You're in Cardi B come soon.
Cardi's got that cheddar pop of hers.
Yeah.
That cheddar pop.
I'm gonna have to give you 9, Lil Baby. I'm gonna have to give you 9. You know Lil Baby line?
The baby line. You gotta come back to that.
Alright. What that?
More of an R&B type of girl, you know. Sorry.
These rap snacks. These ain't R&B snacks. These is rap snacks.
We
You
need to
got
get some
those
Luther
rap.
Vandross snacks in. Luther Vandross. All the Michael Jackson snacks. We need something like that. I got that. I know all of them.
That's ancient.
Oh, I don't
Dinosaur
know.
something. We trying to get up to speed. Who next?
B-O-O-K.
N-I-E. Set it off in this month.
Yeah.
Set it off. My clip all dog.
Yeah.
Don't make us set it off.
Yeah.
Set it off. Yeah, okay. Smoking on purple. Ease my mind. Yeah, see that we get high too. Yeah, murder. Gotta keep your nine. Let's see what you got going on, Boosie.
Louisiana heat.
The home team. The home team. We got to bring
We
in.
got a little message too, man.
What did Message say?
Said sometimes you need those bad days because it helps you truly appreciate the good ones.
That's real shit, man. That's real shit. Sometimes you need them bad days.
Alright, Boosie, let's see what it's
hitting for.
hitting for. What baby say? Let's see what it's hitting for. You done still juice all over this shit.
Yeah. Oh, say.
You got some wavy.
That's,
Ooh, hot.
is that Boosie? Hey, Boosie said that album. Now that's you on the back. That's you on the back. Now on the front, they gonna put Favorite Flavor with a Boosie fade on the front.
This bitch is not all that. And I'm mad.
Ah, damn,
They got some heat to it, though.
These bitches mixed with gumbo or something.
What?
Mm.
For the heat, I give them a 10 for the heat, cause it's, listen,
We fuck with that spice over here.
it's spicy. Get
Look
you
at that.
right, see?
Damn, Boosie. Ah, damn, Boosie. Them bitches kind of hot. Hey, Boosie, your shit so hot we can't even place it.
Hey, Boosie, that heat, you brought that heat. That
This bitch is regular. I don't give a fuck what no nigga say.
This shit really what it say. Like, this shit really hot. Hey, this shit really what it say.
Boosie, you get a 10.
We going with 10. We gonna give you a dime for that. Now on Emmett, they hook your layers up on the front though. That's all right. You need a couple more than this.
Migos again.
Migos! Hey, Migos, they showing up. They showing up. We got popcorn, hold up, what's this up? We already done got the Migos barbecuing with my honey with a damn ring. Now we got the Migos white cheddar with a dab of ranch. They putting a dab of ranch on everything.
A little bit.
Okay. I ain't never had ranch popcorn. Let's see what it is for. What it smell like?
Good. Okay.
They got another little message.
What's that?
Let's do it.
White cheddar. You know that white cheddar ain't gonna never fail you, baby. The white cheddar won't fail you. You have to clean it up later.
I ain't gonna lie. Bitch.
It's good.
These motherfuckers here? These bitches off the scale. Man, say.
They did their thing with them.
Them
Ain't nobody else got popcorn though.
Them bitches gotta get a 20. Them bitches gotta get a 11 or 12 for real.
Yeah,
I'm
you
ready.
gonna eat them all. Which one?
Get you a little more.
Yeah, cause I know you gonna want the whole bag back.
Them? What they message say? What they message say on that?
Alright. We take pride in setting the tone for the culture. We will always remember what got us here. Hard work, dedication, teamwork, our dreams, what inspire us. Don't stop dreaming.
Man.
Don't stop dreaming.
Hey,
for real.
Man, you follow your dreams, you gonna get there, man. For real, all it takes is patience. All it takes is patience, dedication, and commitment. You gonna get there. Them bitches good though, man. I'm gonna give y'all that pass a 10, man. Them hoes deserve. Them bitches deserve a 12, for real.
For real. Who ain't got that? Ooh, baby.
Yeah.
Now this next one.
Yeah.
I'm trying to hold on.
It might.
Before we get into Romeo Snacks. Bow Wow, where you at, bro?
Bow Wow, where your rap snacks at, man?
What you doing? You got do-rags and not rap snacks?
Man, come
Come
on,
on,
Bow Wow.
Bow Wow.
All I wanna do is sit down, sweep it down. Everybody hit the floor. Hey. Okay, we gotta get to
All right, Romeo Miller up in the building.
Yeah.
And he got these barbecuing with my honey.
Yeah. So you say you done stole? Hold up, barbecuing with my honey with a. They got a bad ranch. Off in they bag.
He just plain out honey him.
Your love's like honey, sticking slow.
Put your dumb ass down.
He just got the honey off in there.
And he ain't give us. He did give us a little message. Just say, my pops taught me to keep your head on straight and do what you love.
Set your ass down.
Yeah.
Romeo. All right, Romeo. Let's see.
What little Romeo line you know? What little Romeo line you know? Let's get started. You know, we grew up on Lil
I'm
Romeo.
making A's and B's.
Ain't no mom can't keep their hands off me.
Oh, I got an uncle named Silk and an uncle named C.
I've been dribbling the ball since the age of 3. I make you jump like crisscross, bounce like bow.
Yeah.
I'm the next generation, I came to lock it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't saying it.
Take us
Hey.
back.
I remember that Romeo, man. You had a nigga, yeah. I used to think I was Lil Romeo, Lil Bow Wow. Nah, for real. You see what you hitting for. Now, not in a bad way. That's Nick Cannon. They done, man, hey. Man, they done put, what's that dude from 106 in Port?
Not 10, son.
Boy, Terrence J. That's Terrence on the front of that thing, man.
That is not Terrence.
I ain't gonna lie, them bitches hard.
I'm good. Okay.
Them bitches are hard.
Hey, good.
Man, what a Rap Snacks factory at?
For real. We're gonna put some baby snacks up in there. Baby snacks.
No.
What you gonna get, Romeo?
Romeo, like, he up there. He was like, I gotta give Romeo like a 9. I'm gonna give him a 9.
9.
I'm gonna be hard.
I'm giving them a 9. I'm giving them a 9.
I'm gonna 9.
Who we got next? Who we got next? Hey, got it.
He's a boat.
Got it.
It's a boat.
You already know.
Hey.
Wait a minute.
Okay, what song we got for Lil Yachty? What? What song you know? What
I'm
line?
fine with my little one.
I am ready, little. Yeah.
I don't know what you saying, but it's cool. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's cool. Oh, he got some
Hot cheese fries.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. You know we grew up on them hot fries. Them
Man, we gotta do it. We gotta
do it. Hold up. Let's do the look. Hey.
He gotta be animated. He got little boats on there, baby.
Yeah. He got little fish, little sea stuff on there. Yo.
Right, little yacht. He got the little boat. All right, baby.
Yo. What he said?
He said.
Let me see. He say, don't be afraid of being different. Be afraid of being the same as everyone else. Lil Yachty.
And he is. He different.
He is different.
Got the red hot. And then brazy. Hot fries inspired hot chips. It look like a hot chip. Yeah, the hot
I ain't
fries
gonna
got
lie. Your Cheeto Puffs a little young. These Cheeto Puffs ain't puffy at all. These is.
No. But you gotta eat a couple of them.
I just did and ate air.
Right? You gotta eat a couple of them.
Once you eat your other man.
It's pretty good.
When you go in a little Yachty bag, you know what I mean? You gotta pull out the taster. So the first one. Okay, let's see. I'll leave together. We got a little kick to it, don't it? We got a little spice to it, little Yachty. Juice. You gotta post on. That's really good. That's really good. I ain't gonna love you, mother. That's really good.
Okay.
Little Yachty. I ain't gonna lie, them mother good, Yachty. You gotta eat good. You know what I mean? They gotta grow on you.
Right. Nah, yeah, for real. But they
good. Oh, they good.
We'll be getting a little yachty.
I'm gonna keep doing Lil Yachty now.
I ain't gonna. I give him a 9.5.
I don't know about them.
It wasn't quite there because he had to eat a couple of them, but they good.
Ooh-wee! Yeah,
Say
that sound
ooh-wee.
like South Walk, but ooh-wee! You be saying that? I ain't never heard what Yachty say that, but I'm all good.
Okay. Alright, so we got Migos triple. You know what? It's 3 of them. We got 3 bags. Migos. They y'all coming through.
Migos showing up, man.
Popcorn it.
Hey, popcorn.
I was gonna take a little bit more of that one.
Hey, popcorn, hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. Migos doing they shit. You feel me? They doing they damn design.
Alright, Migos. We gotta get another song. We sick of anything, man.
Who? Migos.
Yeah.
Migos got screwed the ground. Hey, not a Quavo, that's Quavo. But we got walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Hey, walk it like I talk it. Hey, walk it like I.
They got a message for us on this one. Alright.
See what they hitting for. What they got? What it called? Sour cream with a dab of ranch. Migos. Hey, sour cream with a dab of ranch. Migos. Hey, sour cream with a dab of ranch. Migos. I'm pretty got that sour cream on them. That's pretty cool too. Hey.
Who's that?
I don't know you good.
Look at him.
Hey.
We got a. That's all right there.
Hey. Migos. Yeah, we got a little extra, man. Hey, say Migos. Y'all do y'all shit, man. Y'all get them. They gonna give y'all another. What you gonna give them? 10?
Y'all
Yeah,
across the
10,
board.
man. Migos, y'all live.
Y'all win. Y'all did that. Y'all
Y'all
got 3 bags. We had to.
Hey.
They won that.
Hey.
They did that.
Hey, James Lizard. Y'all need to give us our own baby too, man.
We gonna go ahead and call y'all.
Please, James Lindsay, man, the CEO of this shit, man. Y'all come out here, fuck with us, man. We roll, man. We do our shit for real. Give us our own bag. We gonna come through. We gonna come through. We got really for real, man. We need our own bag, bro. You know what I'm saying? So,
y'all do y'all thing, y'all.
as always, y'all already know what to do.
Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell,
share our videos. Share our videos.
Give
Yeah.
us a thumbs up for real.
Come in. If I see you
Talk
watching
to
this,
us.
so you know
We
you let me know
talk
who
back.
watching this. If I don't see y'all watching this, man, I'm just gonna start rapping in y'all inbox. Twerk. Ayy. Twerk. Ayy. Man, y'all come on, y'all gotta come on, show us love for real. We trying to get past 2 or 3 pennies for real.
Come on.
We trying to get past 2 or 3 pennies.
Run it up. Please share
Please,
our
y'all
video.
for us,
Share
man.
it,
You know what I'm saying?
share it, and like it. Love it. Matter of fact.
For real. Follow us on our social media platforms too. It's that way.